Ingrown hairs can be a painful and unsightly nuisance, causing discomfort and irritation. However, there is a simple hack that can help you effectively manage them. To begin, gently exfoliate the affected area to remove dead skin cells and help free the trapped hair. This will aid in preventing further ingrown hairs from developing. Next, apply a warm compress to the area to help soften the skin and open up the hair follicle, making it easier to extract the ingrown hair. Once the hair is visible, carefully use sterile tweezers to gently pull it out, being sure not to cause any additional irritation. After removing the hair, clean the area thoroughly to prevent infection and promote healing. To avoid future ingrown hairs, it is important to exfoliate regularly and shave in the direction of hair growth. By following these simple steps, you can effectively treat and prevent ingrown hairs, leaving your skin smooth and bump-free.